Perplexity Comet versus Komo AI. In this video, we will actually discuss and compare Perplexity AI with Komo AI, and let's see which one of them is the best bet for you. So first, Perplexity AI is an AI integrated Chromium web-based browser with actual personality and AI assistant. Meanwhile, Komo is a separate multi-feature AI tool that includes a chat, explore, and search function that you can see right here. We also have the newly added, which is the research option. So Comet focuses on delivering the answer to a user's query directly rather than a list of links and offers cross-tab awareness and agentic automation. Komo AI provides distinct functionalities for conversational AI, discovering information, and traditional search. So as you can see, Perplexity Comment provides direct answers to question with cross-tab awareness, agentic automation, and built-in Perplexity search engine. It's designed to be an answer engine for research and deep work, transforming complex workflows into seamless interactions. Meanwhile, Comma is a versatile platform for interacting with AI, discovering new information, and conducting searches. With this, you can chat, explore, and search for actually conducting searches and doing your research using this part as well. So it's actually suited for users who want separate AI functionalities. However, if you want it integrated to your browser, then Comet is the right tool for you. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.